Income tax, very nasty subject. Everybody has to pay it when they earn money. The more you earn, the more you pay. What we're going to be looking at to do today is we're looking at Claudia, who earns £52,250 every year, and we're going to work out how much tax that she'd have to pay. Now, if we look at the first piece of information that we're given in the question to help us, the personal allowance is £9,205. Now, a personal allowance is the first piece of income you earn which the government don't tax you on at all. So everybody can earn this amount here, this £9,205, without paying a penny in tax. So in this case here, zero tax for the first chunk of income. We now go on to the red and green pieces, which is the rest of Claudia's income that makes up the £52,250. That's known as her taxable income. So in other words, that is the portion of her salary or her wage that she has to pay tax on. And it tells us that the basic rate of tax of 20% is paid on the first £32,255 of her taxable income. So she has to pay tax at 20% on this green chunk here. So we can do the sum here, 0.20 as we're using a calculator, 0.20 multiplied by 32255, and that gives us £6,451. So that is the amount of tax that she has to pay on the green portion. Okay, so now we've got to check to see whether we've got up to her total income of 52,250. So if we were to add the 9,205 to the 32,255, we'd get a total of 41,460. So we're still short of her total income of 52,250. So to work out how much we need to get there, we take the two numbers away from each other and we get 10,790. Now this is how I've got this 10,790, and it's this number here where she has to pay 40% on. So we've got to work out 40% of 10,790. So 0.4 times by 10790, and that gives us 4,316. Add the two together would give us the total tax bill. So we've got add 6451 gives us 10,767. So that is our total tax bill. Okay, quick recap of the points. First of all, tax-free allowance, no taxes paid. First, the basic rate of tax, that's the first bit that you have to pay tax on. To work out the amount you've got to pay 40% tax on, you've got to go back to your total income and find out what number you need to make these, the blue, the green and the red number, add up to that total income. That's done by these adding and subtraction sums here. Work out the piece of tax for each element, add them together, that then has got your total income tax. So that's an introduction to taxation questions.